The Guam Public Health Laboratory received approval from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to test for monkeypox on island. The service is available to hospitals and clinics in Guam to help increase mpox testing capacity. Now that we can test for the disease on Guam, we no longer need to send samples off island and wait for the results. The mpox lab is run by 4 laboratory personnel, all of whom are vaccinated against the disease. Public Health Microbiologist 3, Alan Malari.
What is at the back of me is the extraction room. So this is where we're gonna extract all those specimens for monkeypox. We have 4 PUI specimens before that we were sent off island, but at this time we can perform it here in the island. We don't have case right now, and we are ready to accept all specimens right now.
The 4 specimens tested today in the lab originated from the island a couple months back.
Those suspected before that we sent it to Hawaii State Lab are from this island, 1 from the military and 2 from clinics and 1 from government agencies, and they're all negative for the testing.
Residents who feel like they contracted the virus or know somebody who may have, they are urged to contact their primary doctor, and from there, the testing will begin.
They'll give them instructions how they'll be screened for the testing. Guam Public Health Laboratory sent out guidelines on how to collect from the physicians to the patient under investigations. So the territorial epidemiology, that's Dr. Ann Pabutsky, will screen if the patient is qualified and meet the guidelines for testing for a monkeypox.
And if they don't qualify, here's what patients can do.
Now, if they did not pass the testing or criteria, then the clinicians have options to send it to the private lab. And there are 2 main labs in the United States that are granted to do the testing too. So the private lab will send it to the mainland laboratory.
Daniel Perez, KUAM News.